Every masterpiece begins with a belief. For us, that belief took shape over 3 decades ago, born from a single purpose: to elevate everyday living through pristine ceramic design. Our founder, Mr. Bharat Patel, believed that the greatest luxury comes from 2 essentials: quality and purity. That philosophy sparked a journey that has defined who we are today. From our very first breakthrough product to becoming one of India's leading production houses, Sonafield has continuously mastered the art and science of ceramic manufacturing. Our foundation is built on 2 unwavering pillars: consistency, excellence. For us, quality isn't just a benchmark. It is the very essence of the Sonafield identity. Inside our state-of-the-art facility, advanced production technology meets robust R&D, pushing the boundaries of material innovation. Every piece we create undergoes Greenpeace product weight testing, along with precision inspections and functional checks, ensuring unmatched durability and trust. Our company has been recognized as a rising star by Power Brand, and our products are CE and ISI certified, reflecting our commitment to quality and industry standards since 1991. The result is a comprehensive portfolio of premium sanitary solutions designed for every modern space, every lifestyle, every need. Our design philosophy blends global aesthetics with purposeful engineering. We build for comfort, longevity, and better living. With dirt-proof glazing for superior hygiene, space-optimized structures, and remarkable water-saving performance with every flush. For over 3 decades, our growth has been strengthened by a vast network of loyal dealers and distributors across India and overseas. Today, we are proudly present in more than 20+ countries worldwide. Many of these partners have stood with us since the very beginning. A testament to relationships built on trust, reliability, and consistent quality. Together, we bring the Sonafield promise to customers across borders. Our responsibility reaches further than production. We are committed to a sustainable future, integrating water-efficient processes, responsible resource management, and environmentally conscious innovation, reflecting our promise towards a greener tomorrow. At the heart of Sonafield are our people, visionary leadership, expert engineers, and skilled artisans who craft perfection piece by piece. They are the true architects of our success. Quality at Sonafield is not assumed, it is verified. Every product undergoes precise multi-stage sorting and detailed inspections, ensuring only flawless pieces move forward, followed by advanced vacuum testing. As lifestyles evolve and technologies advance, our mission remains unchanged: to lead with innovation, to inspire with design, and to set new benchmarks for premium sanitary ware for generations to come. Sonafield Ceramic, The foundation of quality in your perfect space since 1991